homicide. 4 suspects are charged with capital murder in the June 27th killings of a 2-year-old boy, his mother, and his aunt. Now, as the case moves forward, local attorney Keith French says the victims' families may also have legal options.
Well, potentially they could. So we have to be careful because we don't know all the facts yet. And, we don't know if the city is actually liable, but under Mississippi law, the victims' families would at least have a reason to investigate whether the city or another agency failed to properly secure a dangerous law enforcement weapon.
French says if the families decide to sue, holding a government agency responsible is much more difficult than a typical lawsuit.
So for police-related conduct, the family would have to show reckless disregard. That's a much higher standard. So the more important evidence there is that the officer or department knew the risk and disregarded it, the stronger the case becomes.
French says another key question is whether the officer followed department policy when storing the rifle.
That matters significantly. A policy violation, while it won't automatically prove liability, it's a very important piece of evidence because it's such a significant hurdle, to get past, some of the government immunities that are caked in the Mississippi Tort Claims Act.
He says investigators and attorneys will likely want records showing exactly how the rifle was stored before it was stolen.
So I would want to see the department's firearm storage policy, the vehicle burglary reports. You want to know where was the rifle stored at the time? Was it locked? Was it clearly visible from any passerby to see?
You don't just handle those weapons any kind of way. They have to be handled according to rules and protocol.
Now, again, the mayor says that the officer is under internal review and disciplinary action is pending. And he also adds that they'll be looking into strengthening firearm storage protocols as well. Reporting live outside of City Hall, I am Nicholas Brooks, 16 WAPT.